Hello, my name is Ojas. Today I'm here to share my views on the topic what is SEO strategy. An SEO marketing strategy is a comprehensive plan to get more visitors to your website through search engines. Successfully, SEO includes on-page strategy which use intent-based keywords and off-page strategy which earn inbound link in the form of other website. Three core components of a strong SEO strategy. To optimize a site, you need to improve our ranking factors in three areas: technical website setup, content and links. So let's throw them in turn. Technical setup. For your website to rank, three things must happen. First, a search engine needs to find your pages on the web. Then it must scan them to understand the topics and identify their keywords. And finally, it needs them to be indexed. A database of all its content has found on the web. This way, its algorithm can consider displaying your website for relevant queries. Seems simple, doesn't it? Certainly nothing to worry about. After all, since you can visit your site without any problem, so you should Google, right? Unfortunately, there is a catch. A web page looks different for you and the search engine. You see it's a collection of graphics, color, text, formatting and links. To search engine, it's nothing but text. As a result, any elements it cannot render this way remain invisible to the search engine, and so in spite of the website looking fine to you, Google might find its in content insensible. Let me show you an example. How is a typical search engine of our article is this one. By way, if you can compare with the original one. This page is just a text. Although we carefully designed it to be a only element, search engine sees the text and links. As a result, it cannot see any image on the page. It only recognizes its name. If that image contains an important keyword we would want to page on the rank board, it would be invisible to the search engine. That's where technical setup so-called the online on-site optimization comes in. It ensures that your website and page allow Google to scan and index for them without any problems. The most important factor affecting it include website navigation and links. Search engine crawls sites like you would. They follow links. Search engine crawls land on the page they use to links and find another way to analyze. But as you had seen above, they cannot see images, so set the navigation and backlink announce. Now second one is simple site structure. Search engines do not like reading lengthy strings of words and complex structures. So if possible, keep your URL very short. Set them up to include and beyond the main keyword for which you want to optimize the page as soon as possible. Now is page speed. Search engines use the load time, the time it takes for a user to be able to read the page as an indicator of quality. Many website elements can affect it, like image size. For example, use Google Page Speed Insight tool for suggestion how to improve your pages. Now dead links and broken redirects. A dead link sends a visitor page to a non-accessed page. A broken redirect points to a resource that might be a longer be there. Both provide poor experience but also prevent search engine from indexing your content. Now sitemap and robots.txt files. A sitemap is a map that you file that lists all your URL on your site. Search engine use it to identify what page scroll and index. A robot.txt file on the other hand tells search engine what contact node to index. For example, specify policy pages and you don't want to appear in the search. Create both to speed up the crawling indexing of your content. Now is duplicate content. Pages containing identical or quite similar content confuse search engines. They often find it to be a nearly possible display of any pages so that all. If search engine do not find them, your website can be penalized. For that reason, search engines consider duplicate content as a negative factor. Now content. Every time you see a search engine, you are looking for a content information, a particular cause for a problem. For example, true, this content might be in difficult formats and different formats. It could be text like a blog post or a web page, but it could be also a video, product recommendation and even a business listing. It's all content. And for the SEO, it what helps to gain greater visibility. Here are the two reasons why. First, content is what customers want when searching. Regardless of what they are looking for, it's content that provides it, and the more one of you publish, the higher the chance of your greater search visibility. Also, search engine uses content to determine how to rank a page. Is the idea of relevance between a page and a person search query that we talked about earlier. While crawling a page, they determine its topic. Analyzing elements like page length or structure helps them to assess its quality. Based on the information, search algorithms can match a person query with the pages they consider the most relevant to. The process of optimizing content began with the keyword research. Now, what is keyword research? As you note about getting visitor to your site, you want to attract people who you need to be sell and become leads and later customer. However, that's possible only if ranking of the keywords those people would use when searching. Otherwise, there is no such chance they ever find you, and that's even if your website appear at the top of the search results. Thank you.